Welcome back to the channel. To those that are yet to subscribe, please make sure you click on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. I definitely would love to watch out for it. So let's take a look at GBPJPY. Literally, I still have this point. I mean, if you watch my analysis yesterday, I told you guys that we are very much likely to have a retracement to a level of 162, and you can see that we are currently trading at 162.5 point, 162.500 plus. So is this drop over? Well, personally, I don't think this drop is over. There should be a little more drop on GBPJPY before you start having that bullish move. Coupled with the fact that probably, today, which is for the 23rd, right, there is like a JPY. Let me actually put it out for you guys. There is kind of like holiday Bank of Japan. There's like holiday, so we don't really expect much movement from the side of the JPY, but we should be expecting what GBP will very much likely to play out. So personally, with what I am seeing GBP dropping. So if that would be true, that GBP is dropping and we don't really expect much movement from the side of JPY, then I believe that GBP to JPY will actually still drop more. So basically, this is one of the reasons why I'm still skeptical that we should actually go long. We should actually wait a bit, do not go long. If you want to even take this trade, the best time you actually take the trade should be on Friday. Right now, I'm still seeing this JPY, this GBP as a drop. So let's still watch out for a drop. Be very, very careful so you will not, actually get stopped out. So you can see on the 1 hour time frame, it is still lower lows and lower highs. We are very much likely to get a little bit of a correction here to tap this 20 period moving average. Then price might eventually make one more movement. But if price breaks above the 20 period moving average, then you can now see that as a sign to go long. But I doubt it will actually break it. I personally doubt it will do that. So the best thing, stay away from this trade. And if you want to trade, be very, very careful. Now, to those that are yet to subscribe to my Patreon channel, right? Make sure you actually do that. We actually took a trade yesterday, which was 2022. We actually got to the target, and what that trade we had was about GBP New Zealand dollar. We actually aimed to grab about more than 100 pips, and personally from that I actually grabbed about 140 pips. I'm sure most of my subscribers actually grabbed about 160 pips. Even day before yesterday, we also had a trade which was Nasdaq 100. We got to the level, so we still have some trades still playing out. And once there's a better setup, I'm going to put it out in that channel. So with just 20 USD, you can get access to this content I'll be putting out. Instead of taking trade, blowing your account and everything, you can actually become one of my subscribers and get better trade setup from me.